Hi guys, I have always considered myself a somewhat smart person, but when we immigrated, my faith in this was shaken. Every time I have to speak English turned into a challenge. Didn't change much since then. My first job was a product demonstrator. People that you see at Costco giving samples of food and other stuff. I remember my first conversation with the hiring lady and her surprise, "Oh, you can actually speak English." I was very flattered with such compliment, and of course, I got the job. So here I am, standing in the supermarket for a busy Saturday promoting some kind of dip for chips. And I didn't have to wait for long until my first customer appeared, and I smiled and said, "Would you like to try our new delicious organic dip made with 100% Canadian product?" I'm sorry, what? I repeated myself. Nothing happened. And here we are, staring at each other, all confused. At this point, I understand that my words are clearly not working, so I gestured to the container with an amazing dip. And she happily exclaims, "Oh, you meant dip!" She tried the new and amazing product and left me more confused than ever. Of course, today I know the difference between deep and deep, but I can't hear it. And as you all just hear, I still cannot pronounce it correctly, no matter how many times I tried. And I tried, I promise. Anyway, follow along if you want to hear more stories, because soon I will be telling about times from when I was working in a plumbing store trying to sell vanities and explain to the customers why our sinks are amazing for any size of a cooking sheet. Bye.